Hello everyone, my name is Tara. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will make spaghetti marinara. I will show you guys how to make it. Let's make it. Okay, we have some spaghetti. I have here 2 cups of water boiling. I put salt and a little bit oil to it. And then I leave this in the water. I'm making a small amount just for you guys to see how you make it. If you want to make, this is like for one person, one meal. If you want to make more, add pasta, marinara, everything you will add double. I'm just letting the pasta to cook. I want to put all the pasta inside the water. About 4 to 5 minutes need to cook the pasta. Okay, I have a couple cloves of garlic. Pasta all about garlic. Italian pasta, you have to put garlic. Okay, this is my garlic. I chopped it, and then my Italian basil. I put the garlic on the side, and I chopped the basil. Okay, now let's go to my pan to cook the marinara sauce. And now I check the pasta. After 5 minutes, it's ready. I will go to my sink. I put a little bit cold water on the pasta so it's cooled down a little bit. I put my flame on the medium heat, like 3 spoons of vegetable oil. I chopped garlic. I put first the garlic, saute it a little bit. And then when you saute the garlic, you add the basil. You don't have to cook for the long time with the basil because it will burn. It's very sensitive. Now you add the cup of marinara sauce. A little bit of salt, black pepper, and oregano. So now the sauce is ready. I like to mix my pasta inside the sauce. Some people, they put pasta in the plate and the sauce on top of it. But I like to mix it, the pasta inside my marinara sauce. Okay, this is ready. Okay, I'm putting it inside my plate. Some people, they don't have fresh basil. You can use dry basil. Okay, this is ready. And I put Parmesan. You can put as much as you want. spaghetti marinara. Okay, so I'm gonna try my spaghetti marinara to see how the taste is. Oh wow. Believe me, it tastes so good. Very fresh. The marinara sauce, basil, garlic, you can taste every one of them. It tastes really good. I make my food, even in my restaurant, homemade food. I hope everybody try this at home and make it for your family. I hope everyone like it. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Have a nice one and see you next time. Bye.